Most people in the UK want to make money online, but beginners usually waste months following methods that never work. In this video, I'll show you realistic ways beginners can start earning online in 2026. Living costs are rising in the UK. Many people want extra income, but they either get scammed online or quit too early because they expect fast money. The truth is, making money online takes consistency, patience, and the right strategy. One of the easiest ways to start earning online is freelancing. Freelancing means offering a skill online and getting paid for it. Skills like video editing, graphic design, writing, social media management, and AI content creation are in high demand right now. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow beginners to create profiles and start getting clients. You do not need to be an expert at the beginning. Start with one skill, improve consistently, and build experience over time. Another powerful method is content creation. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok allow creators to build audiences and earn money online. You do not even need to show your face. Faceless channels in niches like finance, motivation, facts, and technology are growing rapidly. The key is choosing one niche and staying consistent with uploads. Another smart way to earn online is selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, templates, guides, and online resources. The best part is, you create the product once and can sell it multiple times. Most people fail online because they keep changing methods too quickly. They try one thing for a week, then quit. Successful people focus on one method, improve slowly, and stay consistent. Making money online is possible, but only if you stay patient and keep learning. Focus on building skills, creating value, and improving every month. Start small today and stay consistent for the future.